I think that no matter what we do in life, we're called. And business is just as relevant and just as integral to our society and bringing the kingdom here on earth as being a missionary. It's just different. And I think that Jesus said he came to bring the kingdom here on earth, and we do that through business.
Yeah, my name's David Smith. I'm a graduate of the University of Guelph in Hotel and Food Administration. And the first part of my career, I worked about 15 years for Marriott. And then I switched to Compass Group Canada about 27 years ago. So when I started, we were about a $100 million company, and I grew it 20-fold over my career.
And I am Lois Benham-Smith. I'm a nurse by profession, and I worked across Canada in different provinces in different settings. And God put on my heart to, start a steering committee, and we started a pregnancy care center in Hamilton.
After I retired, a lot of people reached out to me and said, thank you. Thank you for helping me develop in my career. Thank you for the opportunities you gave me. And I was thinking, wow, as a leader, you don't realize sometimes the impact you're making on others. And then I thought, not only for others, but these people are going on to make impacts in society in general. I see the need. Who's out there today that invests in their CEOs and presidents and owners of companies? A lot of those owners and CEOs are investing in their own people, but who's investing in them? Lois and I have both sat at the top of organizations, so none of this is foreign to us.
It can be lonely at the top. So having somebody be able to come alongside, having a cohort that you can call, hey, I'm encountering this. It might be a different industry that you're involved in, but how did you face this? What were your thoughts?
So the Entrepreneurial Next Generation program will involve 5 in-person sessions, 4 Zoom sessions. There'll be a cohort of 12 people, all NextGen, so relatively in their 30s and 40s, established businesses worth $10 million or more. So we're talking about real businesses, making real money, having real concerns and business issues that they need to work through in a Christian context. So that how does that business not only operate profitably, but how does it impact society at large?
Yeah, and the syllabus is really quite robust. So everything from best practice principles, are you doing A, B, C, and D, and also some of the challenges that come our way as leaders, and what does that look like, and the future.
When you get a group of like-minded individuals with the same value set, I think that will be distinctive versus any other program in Canada.
And I would say that, are you looking at your business as an opportunity that God has given you to further the kingdom here on earth? And if you are, wonderful. Then how can you do it more? How can you do it more effectively? And if you haven't, then hey, it's a great opportunity to really look at life and your business as a God-given opportunity. And as we're given more is given to us. So, and that's exciting because we can change the world. Look what Jesus did. Look at the world that way, right? So that gets me excited thinking the ripple effect.
Yeah, exactly.
The ripple effect.